For coffee connoisseurs and discerning caffeine addicts, the Aerobie AeroPress is a good move for a quick brew. Just slip in a filter and grind your own beans to fill the main cylinder. You roasted them yourself, right? And picked them. Fill it with piping hot water. Not too hot, you Philistine! Seriously though, French presses and other coffee makers can leave grounds sitting in water. Results, coffee with a side of grit. Ugh. But the AeroPress pressurizes coffee directly into your mug, minus those irritating solid particles. And voila! A cup as strong and flavorful as French press and as clean as drip, minus the hassle of both.